Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is lecture 5 of series 1. This lecture is relevant how to add comments in C. Here is the outline of today's lecture, which include why comments are used in C, what are the different types of comments that are most commonly used in C++. In the end, we will do some examples in C++ that how to add comments in your code. The first question is why comments are used in C. Basically, comments are used in a program to make it easy for others to understand it. So it is a very good technique to add comments in your code. Now, comments in the source code are ignored by the compiler. These comments are just used to make your code understandable for others. Types of comments. There are two types of comments which are used in C++. First one is the single line comment and second one is the multiple line comments. Very simple, as shown from their titles. Single line comment mean that when you are adding a single line of comment in your code, and multiple line comment mean you want to add multiple lines of comments in your code. Now, to add a single line comment, you need to insert this symbol, that is / in front of comment line. The syntax of single line comment is this symbol, that is / and then your comment. To add multiple line comments in your code, you need a syntax, that is / and static at the start of the comment. Similarly, when you are end up with your comment, you need to insert static and / at the end of your comment. Now we will do some examples that how to add single line comment and multiple line comment in C++. If you remember, this was our first code that how to display a single sentence in C++. We displayed I love Pakistan in our first code. Now working with the same code, now we will insert here a single line comment and multiple line comments. Let's suppose we want to insert a single line comment in this code. You can insert your comment anywhere in this code. Now in this code, there are nothing relevant to mathematics, algebra or anything else like that. In this code, we simply try to display a single line. So let's suppose I am adding a comment that I am going to display a single sentence or a statement in C++. So I am adding this comment at the top of this code. Now you can see here in our first line, I am adding a comment. For a single line comment, the syntax was to insert /. Let's suppose I am adding a comment, my first code in C++. Now you can see here that the color of this line is light blue in color. This is your single line comment. Now again compiling this code, 0 errors. In our lecture, we have discussed that compiler will not consider your comments. Means compiler have nothing to do with your comments. Compiler will only compile the code which is written below the comments. Now I am going to run this code. Now you can see here a single sentence, that is I love Pakistan. Now you can check here, nowhere in the output there is comment. So this comment is written just to make the third person or the person who is checking your code that what you are going to do in your code. This was the example of single line comment. Now in the same code, if I am going to insert multiple line comments, let's suppose I am adding multiple lines of comment. So I am removing this comment. If you remember, the syntax or the way to write multiple comments is to insert a symbol that is first slash and then inserting static sign, right? Now try to write some multiple comments. Let's suppose I am writing here, this is my first code in C++. I am inserting a second line or a second comment, that is I am displaying a single line. I love Pakistan. Now you can check here, I've inserted basically 3 comments or 3 lines. Now to enclose my multiple line comments, I need to insert static and then slash. Now you can see here, this whole thing appears in light blue color, mean this is a comment. Now compiler will ignore this comment. Let's again compile this code. Now run. Here is again your output. Now you can see here multiple line comments doesn't change your output.